Hello, my loves. Here I am to do day 15 through 21. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle alert. I tried to put it over here, my cuppa, so I'll be quiet. But you know not to have earphones on. Hello, my loves. Welcome to Creations by Jax. Bum, 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 bum. I have to do this because I'm flying out on a jet plane. But you're going to see this at its normally scheduled time, but I won't be live. Maybe not. I might just put it out as content. I'm going to try not to replace the content of the lives on my Saturdays because I think I can do that. As long as baby is not coming, Bean needs to just come on. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this. So I have, what is it, 15 through 21. I got it. And this is what we got behind me so far. Woo-hoo. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. And we were doing guess, let's guess. I want to guess. Maybe blue of some sort. Nope, another green. Oh, is that green? Is that green? No, Coco. Come on, Coco Puff. Ooh, Coco. That'll look nice right there. Okay. Get out of here. Let's see what's what. Let's do a couple of these. Because I opened too many gifts the other day. Whoops. Sorry. Not sorry. 1, 2, 5, yellow. It's white. Okay, that'll go down there, but the palette is still jiving. Okay, that was 16. Oh, that's right, I was putting, is that it? No, it's over there. My bag. Okay, let's do another one. Is that number 17? Yeah, Russ and Kevin did such a wonderful job putting these together. Let's see, don't look. Let's say it's given me baby blue. Oh, I'm so bad at guessing games. Really am. I've been doing Mama G, kitty. Mama G. Oh, let me put like that. Mama G and Rusty, they've been putting up like what Rusty doesn't have hanging on her wall or what earrings they don't have. I got like one right so far. I was like, really? Really? You don't have a crow? Earrings that we have to change that up real fast. So this one's called Burgundy. Put you right there. Ooh, that'll look nice over here with you. That we need to pull something in with that yellow, Russ. That yellow needs a friend. Time for presente. Gift. The penguin. On the, what is this? Oh, this is a gift. We're on the 18th day of Christmas. Ooh, this is a bag. This is a bag. Let's see what color. Blue. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's quilted. His homeboy did it. It's quilted. That gold, the gold around the poinsettia is quilted. God damn, that is dadgummit. That we got little hooky thing to hook it so you don't have to search around. Oh, beautifully lined inside. Oh, I'm so happy. I will put all of the things in there right now. All of my things need to go in there. Oh, here's my pencils. I have an idea. Oh, where's my clicker? Where's my clicker? I have my clicker. My clicker. My bag is over there. Okay. I've got a bag for my things now. Okay. 18. Let's see. We want to say this one is Brown. I'm so bad. Watch. I will probably be over like nothing. Yellow. So, oh, that's a different color yellow. This one is called cream. So we're going to put that one there. I'm going to shift them because this white really needs to be down here with the gray. But we'll put it over here with the dark blue. Get out of here. Number 19. Sorry. Oh, I looked. It's pink. But it's a pretty pink. It's a little powder pink. Little powder pink. I don't mind pink. It's just light red. This one is called crepe. Get into the necktie. I'm going to put that maybe there. Baby, baby, baby. Oh. Okay, we got 2 more of those ones, and we've got 2 more of these ones. Let's do this one. Mr. Darling. Oh, this is so... Okay, I did that on purpose. Did it on purpose. Sewing needles. Oh, it's a little package. Well, you just really gonna try to slow me down? I think I'm almost there. I see it. I see it. Ooh, a bunch of sewing needles. Now, see, Rain likes these kind of sewing needles. I have the sewing needles I really like when I'm tying it in are these, which I need to get another pack of those because I'm missing the little tiny ones. Got 2 of the big ones. Got 2 of the big ones, but I don't have any of my tiny ones. So anyway, good. This is probably what I'll take on the plane. Is I'll put my plastic ones in here, but these are good darning needles. Thank you, sir. Or good weaver tying in them ends. But plastic, yes, much better. Oh, put it in here. Okay. In the bucket. Number 20. Let's say, I'm going to say orange. No, yeah, orange. More like real orange, though. You ready? Brown. Getting closer to the... This one's called peanut. Put that with my brown. And my cream. That gotta go there. Okay. Ooh, we're getting a color palette going on. Oh, you gotta see this so far right now. This one right here, that's that emerald green looking one. Okay, let's do this last presente. It's another pen. I was hoping I'd get another pen for my journal. Oh, it's blue. Now I get the blue. Blue. I love my training yarn pens. They go right there. And my special little container. Got a special little container. Little blue container. Or purple. Sit right there. Got too many things in there. Okay, last one. Last one. Blue. Ah, got one. That is beautiful blue. Holy snipes. That is a beautiful blue. You're good, baby. Admiral. Admiral. Okay. So now we have to adjust it because I need to put the blue over there, and then we'll put this. So that means we're gonna get more of those. Snug it up. Snug it up. All right. Bum 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 bum. For you. All right. 10 minutes. Dougie Fresh. Yeah. See, I think I'll just put these out as content while I'm gone. Since you've been gone, maybe Saturday mornings, like before the live goes on or something. So I'm still gonna try to do my lives when I'm down there, as much as I can, as much as we can. Because be like, knock, knock, knock. Are you in there? Okay. Love you guys. See you on the flip side and make beautiful things in my absence. I like I said, I'll see. Okay, I'm going. Do 2 more of these. Bye.